Hey you guys, Vallivon The Perfume Don. I can't even play like I'm in a good mood. I am in the worst mood today. I am in the worst mood today, but I still want to come on here and share with you guys a very special video, a collection within my perfume collection. This is my Chanel collection, one that I'm hoping to grow because I think Chanel fragrances really mesh well with my body chemistry. I really like their fragrances. I think that as an entire brand, they kind of stick to the same type of scent, which is very nice and it's very cohesive, and it really gives them like a Chanel type scent, if you know what I'm saying. When you just smell something like, that smells like a Chanel kind of scent, or that smells like a Prada kind of scent, that kind of thing. I think all of their fragrances fit together in that idea. So again, my name is Vallivon. If this is your first time looking at my face, I know I have new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. I do fragrance reviews here. We do a bunch of different videos like examining fragrance notes, and we do wear tests as well. So if you want to know how a fragrance performs, you can go ahead, drop it in my comments if you have one that you've been eyeing, and we will get that done for you. Again, my name is Vallivon The Perfume Don. Thank you so much for joining my Perfume Mafia. If you have subscribed, hit the notification bell so you can get the alert, and then also follow me on Instagram because I post every day pretty much about different fragrances. And let's get into this. So the first fragrance that I have from Chanel is Chanel Chance. And in this video, I'm not going to go in depth about the notes or how it smells really or anything like that. I'm going to run through each fragrance. Now, this one is very floral to me. This one is very, very floral to me. It's almost like the most heady, I think, out of the bunch. Very, very strong, great lasting power, great performance, and yeah, it's a very, very heady, very floral when you first spray it, and then it gets a little bit fruity. But I think this is quite a mature scent, even though I think this is marketed towards like a younger audience. This is quite mature to me. So I only wear this when I want to be extra, and that's pretty much all of them except for a few. When I want to be extra, extra, extra classy. So this is just the original, the Eau de Toilette Chanel Chance. The next one that I have from Chanel is going to be my latest acquisition, and that is Chanel No. 5 Low. And oh my God, I've been eyeing this for some time. I've really been wanting this. I just picked it up about a week ago. I've been wearing it this week, and I have to say the performance is decent. It lasts about 4 hours on my skin. It's just a lighter, fresher interpretation, a younger interpretation of the ever so popular No. 5. Yeah, I just love it so much. It kind of smells like if you just washed No. 5 out of your clothes, if that makes sense, and it was still lingering around. It's just a lighter, fresher, more linen interpretation. It smells like it has like white florals or that kind of thing. But yeah, I really like this scent a lot. I love wearing it. I like to pair it with Philosophy Pure Grace. So it heightens that soapy scent in there, which I love so much. The next scent that I have from Chanel is maybe you guys can help me with this because I really don't know. I picked these up a while ago, and I do not know if these are the same thing. So I have Chanel No. 5 and Eau Premiere, but I have two different bottles. Why does it come like this in two different bottles? I've been reading that they're both the Eau de Parfum. It's just that this is a 5 fluid ounces. This is a 3.4. I don't know if that's the only difference. They smell just alike to me, but I didn't know. When I was researching, I couldn't find any difference. And if you know anything, let me know, comment below. But I think they're the same scent, to be quite honest. I love this one so much. This one's even, I feel like this scent, Eau Premiere, Chanel No. 5, Eau Premiere is like a stronger version. So if you like No. 5, and if you want something that's a little bit lighter, I would grab this one, and then this one's even lighter. So go Eau Premiere if you just want a little bit lighter, but if you want it to be much, much lighter, then do the low. But yeah, I have that in two different bottles, and I'm trying to savor it, but literally this is like my go-to scent. When I just wake up in the morning and I don't know what I want to put on, this is so easy to wear. It's great for office usage. It has great lasting power. This lasts all day on my skin. It becomes a skin scent, so it's not intrusive. It's not hit you over the head type of fragrance, but it definitely has some longevity, which I really like. So those are two that I have in my collection. The next ones It's just, I believe, and you know, let me know in the comments below. I believe, I can't find my other number 5, and like in the regular bottle, I don't know what happened to it. But this is, I think this is the Eau de Toilette. Yeah, this is the Eau de Toilette. This is Chanel number 5. And this comes in the 3.4 fluid ounce bottle. Let me see. Okay, yeah. You know, they were trying to try you with the different sizes. But yeah, so this is Chanel number 5, Eau de Toilette. And then the next one that I have is the Coco Mademoiselle. I actually just picked this one up about a week ago as well. I haven't had the opportunity to wear it yet, but I really loved it when I was in the store. This is the Eau de Parfum Intense, and this is in the 1.7 fluid ounce. Beautiful bottle, classic square Chanel bottle. And let me remind myself how it smells. So this one smells very floral, very musky to me. Musky, floral, fruity scent. And all of these smell like they're in the same family to me. I love to wear all of these. I think this is very dazzling. I think it's great for nighttime wear. And this is absolutely one of my faves for sure. I was thinking about re-gifting this, but I really do love how this one kind of turns a little bit more creamy than the rest of them. I feel like this one has like a musky, creamy element to me. But those are all of my Chanel scents. Let me know which ones you have, or which ones do you suggest that I pick up. I just ate all of that perfume, dude. Like, I just gobble. I just ate it all. But it tastes expansive. But again, if you like fragrance and if you like little videos like this, just telling you about my collection and different things that I have, and we could just start a conversation around Chanel scents, go ahead and join my Perfume Mafia by hitting subscribe, like, share this with someone else that really likes fragrance, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.